What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can sell your Pi coins or Pi network coins on Bitget exchange. So let's get started. Now first off, of course, you would need to install Bitget onto your mobile device or just create a Bitget account on your browser. So I will leave a Bitget sign-up link in the description below, and if you use that link to create a Bitget account, you will get $15 sign-up bonus once you create your Bitget account. So from there, once you have your Bitget account created and set up, you can now transfer Pi from your Pi browser wallet to Bitget. And this is how you do so. So let's first open our Pi browser app to access our Pi wallet. So on this page, just go ahead and select the wallet option. And here you would need to unlock it by your 24-word mnemonic phrase, or you can also unlock it with a fingerprint. So I have my fingerprint unlock set up, so I will just select the second option, which is unlock with fingerprint. And there we go. So this is our Pi mainnet wallet, which contains the Pi that we migrated from the Pi app or Pi miner app to the mainnet, aka our wallet right here. So this is the Pi that I have currently available, which I can also sell. So to sell our Pi, we would need to transfer it to Bitget. And to do so, we would need to click on Pay/Request option, this one right here, and select the second option, which is manually add wallet addresses. Now, once you're here, you can exit the Pi Wallet app and open the Bitget app. So now, once we're on our Bitget app, we would need to go to the Assets tab right here. And here, if you have already some Pi purchased on Bitget, you can just click here and get your address that way. But if you are new to Bitget and you didn't already purchase some Pi, you can just go ahead and click Add Funds right here. Or if this is a new account, you will just see a big white button that says deposit. So from there, just go ahead and click deposit crypto right here. And in the search bar, just go ahead and type in Pi and select the first option. Now, once you selected that, your deposit address will load, which you would need to copy and paste into our Pi wallet as a withdrawal address. So we'll just copy it and go ahead and open your Pi browser right here. And in the wallet address section, just go ahead and paste over the address that we just copied. There we go. Now you would need to select the amount of Pi coins that you would like to transfer from your wallet to the Bitget exchange. So I will just select 10, for example, or 15. And the memo is optional, so I will just leave it blank. Now, once you have the amount of Pi that you want to transfer and the transfer address, you can go ahead and click Send right here. From there, a notification will load, which is just a standard notification that shows up with every transaction. So just go ahead and click Confirm right here to transfer the Pi coins. And there we go. The transfer has been successful. So I will just close this and we can go back to our Bitget exchange profile. So it should arrive in about 30 seconds or so in my past experience. So you can just keep refreshing this page until you can see that the amount of Pi that you have has changed. And there we go. Our 15 Pi has arrived and now we have 17. So from here, to sell the Pi that you just transferred, you would need to first convert it to USDT, and that USDT you can convert to euros. So to do this, you can just go to Markets and type in Pi in the search bar. Now just select the trading pair that says Pi/USDT, so this is the only one that they have currently available. They don't have a direct Pi to euros or dollars option, so first, as I mentioned, you will need to transfer it to USDT and from there to your country's currency. So once you're here, just go ahead and click Trade. And once you're here, you would need to click on the Sell option, because we're selling our Pi coins for USDT. So in the quantity box, you would need to input the amount of Pi coins that you would like to swap for USDT. So I will input 2 for this example. And here you can see the amount of USDT that you will receive for your Pi coins. So just go ahead and click Sell Pi. And now the transaction has been submitted and actually just completed. So here to check if the USDT has been swapped and arrived to your account, just go ahead and click on Assets And there we go. We can see our USDT balance has increased, and now we have 15 Pi from the previous 17 that we had. Now, once you have this USDT, you would again need to go on the Markets tab and now type in USDT. From here, go ahead and select USDT/Euro or dollar depending on your country. So in this case, we're now swapping USDT for Euros. Now just go ahead and click Trade again. And again, go to the Sell option, because we're selling our USDT for Euros. Now here you can input the quantity of USDT that you would like to change to Euros. So let's say 2 USDT, and that will give me 1.8 euros, because Euros value is a bit higher than the dollar value. So from here, just go ahead and click Sell USDT. And there we go. Our 2 USDT has been sold to Euros. Again, you can go to Assets tab and see that swap right here. So my Euro amount has increased. And once you did that, you can just withdraw these Euros to your bank account, Revolut, or whatever you're using. And that's, guys, how you can sell Pi coins on the Bitget exchange. If you found this video helpful, you can share it with other Pi users, and you can check out my whole Pi tutorial playlist right here. Thank you for watching.